Ang sabi na lang na, "Hindi bale, hindi naman niya makakapasa sa Senado ng paloko-loko 'yan, eh." Kaya nung ako'y senador, naisip ko 'yun, kailangan pag-igihin ko kasi pasa lang ng pasa do'n. May hindi nga namin alam, eh, napapasa, eh, may hindi kami tinatawag, eh. Oh, hindi pinag-aaralan. Kaya nung ako'y senador, nag-aaral ako mabuti kasi nung congresswoman ako, hindi bale mag-aaral yung mga senador, hindi yan uubra do'n. So, ako na ngayon ang responsible, 'di ba? Kaya naging congresswoman ako 9 years, eh, kaya alam ko. Kaya nung maging senador ako, very hardworking ako kasi nung congresswoman ako, sabi ko, "Hindi papasa yan sa senador kasi hindi sila papayag." So, okay. So we ano, so that's okay,
Two
you
last
finish,
two last
finish.
points. One thing we would want to also include is to make sure that the DA is included for high value crops. Offhand, no, we can do high density cropping from current 5 to 6,000 trees per hectare to
Actually, the
22,500.
ano, high value crop, but DepEd also they have gulayan sa paaralan, eh. Oh, in fact ako, may contest ako ng gulayan sa paaralan ng mga school, eh, para ma-encourage magtanim, eh, oo. Kasi kailangan kahit bata pa ini-encourage mo na para paglaki nila, dala nila yung values na yun, eh, kaya nagugulayan kami sa paaralan. Naggugulayan kami sa paaralan, naggugulayan kami sa barangay, naggugulayan kami sa homeowner association. Yung sa barangay homeowner para, economic benefit sa kanila, hindi na sila bibili ng gulay. Pero yung sa bata, more of, training the values of children to love, vegetable, yon. Oh. May premyo yun, eh. Oh. So go ahead.
Our estimate kasi is to provide moringa leaf powder to the 3 to 5 year olds. We would need 6,000 hectares. So that's why we need the DA to help us out. So I sat down with DA Region 3 and they said we can do high density cropping, which is from currently we do maybe 5 to 6,000 trees per hectare. We can go up to 22,500. That's a yield increase of times
Eh, ngayon
4
is, sabi mo 6,000 hectares?
to feed the 3 to 5.
Oh,
So
Philippines is
it's not a bakuran thing.
928 hectares, 'di ba? Nandito na figure, eh, 928 hectares ang buong Pilipinas. So you have to multiply by 6 to reach 6,000 hectares.
Yes.
Six
Although
times.
the technical director said kaya daw. But so that's the kind of help that we need, no. What is important that
So
also
what we can do is we can plant and then we provide them the machine, yung co-op ng farmers para paglabas nila powder na.
yes.
Oo, 'yon ang ang model. So you have to make the model kasi
We're
we
working on it.
cannot promote it without the model. Oo. At saka ang bibigyan natin yung co-op ng farmers. Oo, kasi sanay na sila na binibigyan sila ng machine.
Yes,
Tapos
we actually
nagpo-process
have
sila.
earmarked
Oo.
one co-op already in Region 3.
Yeah, that's the model. You give it to the co-op of malunggay farmers. We encourage them to plant and then we give them the processing para sila ang magpo-produce for the school, di ba? Tapos ilalagay natin to sa law na bibilhin ng school para may market sila kasi
Yes.
hindi sila magpo-produce na wala silang market, ano kikitain nila?
Which
Kaya dapat tuloy hanggang hanggang
yes.
benta.
Yes, and we would also need the help of the DSWD for the 3 to 5. The reason why I keep saying the age is 3 to 5 is because that is the age with which the brain is still developing.
Alam lang ng DSWD ayuda.
The daycare
Sa
center
ayuda
po.
nga hirap na hirap eh. Walang tao to distribute the ayuda.
So
'Di
hope
ba? Sanay sila sa ayuda, hindi yata sila sanay sa feeding. Nagfi-feeding ba DSWD?
yes po in the daycare
Where?
centers.
Really?
Yes.
Nakita mo?
Yes. Ma'am, yun po yung 6 months lang. Before June to December lang po. Nagfi-feeding po sila. Pero one of the in Malolos, parang they have like a parang a kitchen where they will
Tingin
cook
ko
it.
mag-feeding sila kung yung mayor mahilig. Pero kung hindi mahilig ang mayor, hindi naman sila gagawa. Naku po, Diyos ko po.
But the 3 to 5 year old kasi according to
Kasi
Doktora,
ang daycare center local.
yes.
Ang national is the grade 1. Grade 1 start. Ang local. Like for example, ang ano tawag dito, yung ano ba yung barangay health center, local yan. Ang national, yung hospital. Doon na di-divide. So, pag mahilig ang mayor mo, okay yon. Pag hindi mahilig at mahilig sa pera, patay ka. Alam ko na yan eh. Nakita ko na yan.
Can it be part of the bill? No, because
Eh.
3 to 5 is the last chance for cognitive development. If the child exceeds 5,
Hindi, 3 to
DSWD.
5 is daycare centers. Daycare. Hindi
Yeah.
grade 1.
So if you exceed,
Local yun.
if you exceed po kasi the 5 years old,
Hindi
the
na
cognitive,
effective.
it's like you miss the boat.
Dapat i-ano nila, kumbinsihin nila yung mga local government that's very important for the future of the country, di ba?
You can try.
Katulad ko, kung hindi gusto mayor, I can help you, I'll do it. But I have to do it, di ba? Ako na ang partner mo, ganon. Kasi talagang ang hirap. I tell you, mahirap.
The last request po that we have in the current bill po, there is no Moringa Council or committee. In the House bill, there is a council which will allow us to meet regularly and discuss little details like some
Sino
of our
member ng council?
po. Here
Baka yung mga partners sa
we have the
government,
DA,
diba?
we have the DA, the DOST, DTI,
Ilagay
DOH.
mo na, wag na yung DA. Ang laki-laki ng DA. High value crop. Kasi high value crop yan. Tapos,
Di pa.
sa ano pa, DOST,
DI,
ano yung particular agency? Alam mo, pag sumusulat ka ng bill, wag mo ibibig. Kasi pag binig mo yan, at hindi nag-cooperate yung secretary, patay na tayo. Katulad nun, gumawa ako ng anti-agricultural smuggling bill, walang na-prosecute. Kasi hindi kami nagdetalye. So, ibinigay ang power sa Bureau of Customs. Yung nga babantayan, Bureau of Customs kasi doon ng smuggling. O di, walang nahuli, 6 na taon. So, we had to rewrite the bill. Tapos nilagay na namin sa bill na no IRR. The bill is the IRR. I-definite mo yung bill, tapos yun na IRR. Otherwise, pag pinagawa mo ang IRR, babaguhin nila. Kaya, wag kang maglalagay ng council na bait. Pinpoint mo na, like, yan, high value crop yan.
Okay.
Huwag mo ilalagay, baka ilagay livestock.
Animal feed.
You have to be, definite. High value crop yan.
Okay, we will revise.
DOST, ano yan, Picard? Ano yung research? Picard? Di Picard na, sabi mo na Picard. Wag na yung ang layo-layo, di ba? Tapos, sa DepEd, ano yan, di ba? Kung sino in charge doon. Para pag nag-meeting
Okay,
kayo,
so DepEd would be
relevant.
school-based feeding program.
May in charge sila doon. Yun na ilagay mo, di ba? Diretso na.
So we
You have
would
to
want
be,
an equivalent committee to make it easier. For example, we have a member here who has difficulty with the FDA. He's been waiting for 5 years. So things like that would be for
Ako po, FDA. FDA mo pa yan? Maria Jose.
for the processors po.
Di ba nag-away na kami sa Senate, FDA daw yung, yung milk? Ako po. Sabi ko, NDA na lang yan, National Dairy Authority. Small farmer yan. Kaya pa niyang pumunta sa FDA. Yung aming loans,